Now you can better understand the above explained topics by this video. The factors affecting the friction is first the two surfaces in contact, the nature of the two surfaces. If the surface is smooth, then there is less friction, and if the surface is rough, then there will be more friction. Second, the force with which the two surfaces are pressed together. For example, it is difficult to push a heavy box because it presses the floor harder, and thus the friction will be more and it becomes difficult to move it. Now, the methods to increase and reduce friction. Friction is also known as a necessary evil, and we can increase and decrease the friction. First, how to increase friction. There you can see the grooves in the shoes and on the wheel, and because of these grooves the vehicle or the person can move easily on the road. The players put coarse substance or sand on their hand so that the friction will be increased. Same as in the case of box, it can easily moved when the friction is increased there. Next, methods to reduce friction. Sometimes we put powder on carom board so that the friction will be reduced and it will become easy to move the coins. In case of doors, when sometimes the doors it becomes difficult to move it or it makes some sound, then we put oil on it. In case of machine also, the friction is reduced by putting some oil or some grease on it so that it can move easily. Here in the example of machine, same as in the case of suitcase, it becomes difficult to move it, but when we put some wheels or rollers under this, then it can be easily moved from one place to another.